Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome you to December new products video. Our first new product are these dust or splash shields. These are factory direct replacements made just like the OEMs. These are for the 76 to 79 Ford Bronco, 76 to 79 F150 four-wheel drive pickup. These are a direct replacement. We sell them in pairs, stamped construction, heavy-duty steel. Got the air fins in the back, ready to go. Sell them in pairs. Again, brand new for the 76 to 79 Ford Bronco, 76 to 79 F150 four-wheel drive are these replacement dust shields. Currently, we'll have these in about 6 weeks. We're offering a special on them, $20 off retail and free shipping if you pre-order. And one note, if you have an early Bronco with a Dana 44 that's drum or Dana 30 drum, these will not work with that. And our next new product is this heavy-duty replacement stock shock mount. This is for the 78-9 Bronco, 77 to 79 F150 four-wheel drive pickup. This here is the driver's side, bolts in front of the shock, bolts in front of the spring tower, bolts right to the frame, and this has the track bar mount. You swing your track bar and bolt it in place. This is a stock heavy-duty replacement. These are made here in the United States, 3/8 steel, laser cut, CNC bent, robotically welded, a beautiful piece, heavy-duty steel construction. We also have the passenger side. So when you bought the truck, if you ordered quad shocks, you got this one on the passenger front. This fits only the passenger front, again for the 78-9 Bronco, 77 to 79 F150 pickup. So if you got 4 shocks, this is the passenger side front again, 3/8 steel, laser cut, CNC bent, robotically welded, a beautiful piece. So we offer them as a pair, or you can buy them as singular. And our next new product is this gas tank. This fits the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. This is a direct replacement for the rear. What's nice about this is a 20-gallon tank. It's made here in the United States, heavy-duty poly construction. This is for the vehicles with fuel injection. If you're going to put fuel injection in your Bronco, this is the tank you want to get. This only hangs 2 3/8 inches lower than stock, so it's a nice fit up in there. Basically comes with the mounting straps, all stainless, mounting brackets stainless, gives you all the hardware you need. Then there's also an optional skid plate, which is on the bottom down here. You can buy that also. When we sell it to you, we put the fuel pump in it so it's ready to go. All you got to do is basically bolt it up in place, hook the lines to it, and again, it's ready to go. This is for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco, 302, 351 Windsor with fuel injection, a 20-gallon rear replacement tank. To go with the 20-gallon tank we've seen in the video before, we came up with an optional fuel line kit. This is a complete kit. This basically is a plug and play, which makes it really nice. We give you all 3 lines, all the fittings ready to install. Gives you a fuel filter, which bolts to the frame, bracket for that. This again goes with that 20-gallon fuel injection tank. Sold as a set, again, for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco, 302, 351 with fuel injection, a complete fuel line kit. And for our December web truck of the month, we have a big red, beautiful second generation Bronco. You enjoy the video, it's a beautiful truck. I want to thank everybody for their support and hope to see you next month. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
When I first bought it, it was, I don't know, probably back in, it's been almost 30 years that I've had it, but it was just like stock height and stuff, and then used to take it out and go beat on it and put it in the mud and everything else. And then in 05, I decided to tear it all the way down to the bare frame and rebuild it. Then, so that's when I started tearing it apart. And then I got it all back together in 09 and went to the four-wheel jamboree in Lima, Ohio with it. Okay. And then just been fixing it up a little bit more, and it's got like 12 inches of lift, 9-inch suspension, 3-inch body. It's got a 514 cubic inch big block. I took out the C6 and put an AOD in, so I got overdrive. JW bell housing to bolt from a big block to a small block tranny, put that in there. Still using the 205 transfer case. Everything's all powder coated and painted. It's got a Lintec valve body and stuff in it, so a little switch I can switch off and on overdrive. And it's got 488 gears front and rear, Detroit locker in the back, posi in the front. It's got a GM 14 bolt rear, but with the disc brakes on it. And then the front is a Dana 44, but I used from the knuckles out off of a 76 Highboy to get the bigger brakes. Put Hydra Boost brakes system on it. The interior's been redone. And then it's got a pretty big sound system in it. It's got two 15-inch kicker Soliberics down firing, and then just some kicker 6x9s and some door speakers, and it sounds pretty good. It works most of the time. My grandpa had an old 78 or 79 Ford pickup, and I always liked it when I was a kid. Then found this one when I was, like 30 years ago. I'm like, could I get it? And it just evolved turned it into this.